What do you think what we actually need to edit our video more perfectly as a beginner or pro? Obviously we need a best video editing software that provide us some features that help us to work professionally and work faster. So I use many software, some of them are paid and some of them are free, but I never seen the software that provide you each and everything that we need to edit our video at one place. But in this time when not a single software offering you some very cool assets, Filmora new update just bloom up with a lot of the amazing stuff. They are providing some very cool features in the new update and adding a huge addition in the titles, transitions, effects, audio and in the element. So let's jump into the video and let's see what they are offering to us. Here is the first window of Filmora we got when we open it. We got three different modes right here. First one is create project. In this mode we have some bold options such as new project, auto beat sync, PC screen recorder and cloud project. In the new update of Filmora they are adding cloud project, which means you can upload your project at your cloud. The second mode is pretty cool. They are offering instant mode. It is usable if you want to create some short video in a few minutes. We have some very cool templates right here. Only you have to do just select one of the best template for you and just press on it. Once you select the best template for you, here we have an option of use this template. Just press on it and now they are asking you for the media you want to use in your project. So let me select some few photos I want to use in this project. So here I just selected some few photos. Once you select your media, just press auto create. It just created automatically. Only we have to do just import the media and we're done within a few seconds. So I think so is a plus point of Filmora. And the last mode is Creator Academy, which is really helpful if you are a beginner in Filmora. They are providing some very cool tutorials right here. So here is the interface of Filmora. It's actually simple as other video editing software, nothing difficult here. In the new update of Filmora, the most prominent feature is speed ramping. Suppose we have some footage and if you want to slow it down or you want to speed it up, you can do it now in Filmora. You can customly control the speed of your footage. So here we have a footage. We simply go to the edit option right here. Now we have an option of speed. Just go to here and now we got a speed ramping option right here. As you can see, we got some automatically set motions, but now you can also customize your motion using this customize button. Now play this horizontal line. That's really cool feature they are providing. You can customly change the speed of your footage. You can be increase or decrease. It's actually depend upon you. So here is the list of features that we are going to be talking about in this video. Media is actually pretty simple. The best thing about media, they are adding some new features which are simple color, which are actually solid background, simple video which you can use as a background, simple of green screen effects, and they are providing some cool templates that are really amazing. You can use these whole pre-made templates. Only you have to do just simply drag and drop it in your timeline and you're done. Just need to change the footage, color and text and your project is ready. In the new update of Filmora, they are adding stock media option where we got Giphy, Pixabay, Unsplash facility, which is really good for creators to save their time. So if you don't know about this, let me explain you. Basically, Giphy, Pixabay, Unsplash is royalty-free stock media platform where you get a free photos, videos for your project without any copyright issues. Now these are available in Filmora. It means you can download photos and videos anytime when you want within a few seconds. Audio is the most important part in any video creation. In a Filmora, we got multiple of audio track for our projects. Here we also have some categories, so you can find out best audio for your project without paying someone for audio track. If you are working on some videos, so obviously you need some cool title that actually suit your video content. So here we have some many titles which are suitable in every type of video. We have some different kind of categories. I think so this title are enough for your many project and it really suit your work. In the new update of Filmora, we have some really cool transitions that makes your video more crispy. They are offering some really impressive categories such as speed, blur, warp, ripple and many more amazing stuff. Effects creating are really time consuming process, but if you have Filmora you can save your time because they are adding a lot of new effects in the new update. These effects are really impressive and time saver. They are adding Boris effects and new blur effects features which are really cool. Let's suppose if you are going to create these effects manually, it took a long time to create, but in Filmora we're done with these effects with some click. So I think so it is a plus point of Filmora on other video editing softwares. Elements are really good to use. Sometimes we need elements to make our footage more realistic. So Filmora providing many elements. These elements contain some very cool things that are really good. They are also providing elements for YouTubers. So if you are making videos on YouTube, then Filmora is really good option for you. At the end we got split screen effect. By using this effect, split your screen. Actually this effect is usable when we need multiple of people in one frame, like with a broadcast, so there we use these effects. So overall Filmora is one of the best software for beginners and pro. If you have Filmora, you don't need to buy title, transition, audio from someone. I really recommended you this software, link in the description below, check it out. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what do you think about Filmora, or you ever use Filmora or not. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.